What's going on, guys? Today I want to be showing you how to make anabolic chocolate milk. Really simple recipe here. We got 4 main ingredients, and I don't use any kind of supplements, no whey protein, anything like that. So this is pretty much my go-to when it comes to post-workout nutrition, whether that's jiu-jitsu or weightlifting. And so without further ado, I'm going to get right into it. The ingredients we have today are raw whole milk, 4 egg yolks, organic maple syrup, and cacao powder. And so I'm just going to start by dumping these egg yolks right into our cup here. Going to go ahead and scoop this cacao powder in. There's a tablespoon here, so we go about 2 heaping tablespoons of cacao powder in this. 1, 2. And then I'm going to go with some maple syrup. For this, we'll do about 3 level tablespoons. And the reason I like this so much after working out is because chocolate milk pretty much provides the ideal combination of carbs, protein, and fat. So you get the perfect combination of nutrients to replenish glycogen and initiate muscle protein synthesis after a workout. Pour that milk right in. Like I said, super simple recipe. Blend it up. Takes about 5 minutes max to make this. And it's absolutely delicious. I personally like to avoid plastic whenever possible. This is a plastic blender bottle, but I'm going to go ahead and pour it right into this nice big glass mug right here, because even if it blended in the plastic, I still rather enjoy it out of a nice cold glass. So there you have it, anabolic chocolate milk. Cheers.